Howdy folks, welcome to this video sample of layouts from the book Cue Ball Control Cheat Sheets. This is a book on how to apply precise cue ball speeds and spins. About the author. I am Alan P. Sand, a certified instructor qualified by the Professional Billiard Instructors Association. I've written many books on pool skills and knowledge that have helped thousands of players. Instructions. Set up these layouts with paper reinforcement rings, also known as donuts. First, pocket the 1 ball. From where the cue ball stops, pocket the 2 ball. Try the shot with the recommended speed and spin. After you own the shot, experiment with your own ideas. Use these layouts to rapidly master precision cue ball shape and position. When you set up a layout, take the time to make sure you can always make the shot work. Cue ball spin, the clock system. The cue ball spins used in the book are very precise. All Q-tip and ball contacts are exactly 1 Q-tip out from center, as shown in this graphic. The clock system helps explain precision cue ball spins. Cue ball speed, the distance system. Speed is the other critical ball control factor. This is the distance that the cue ball will travel based on the energy you put into the stroke. The soft speeds. Soft 1 speed moves the cue ball from one side of the table to the other side. Soft 2 speed moves the cue ball cross-side and halfway back into the center of the table. Soft 3 speed is a cross-side lag shot. The cue ball goes across the table and comes back to the start position. The medium speeds. Medium 1 speed is a standard lag shot. It goes the length of the table and back. Medium 2 speed is the lag shot plus a roll that ends at the table center. Medium 3 speed sends the cue ball 3 times up and down the table. The 2 ball is up table and cross side from the 1 ball. Normally with this type of setup, you would think that a certain amount of cue ball spin would be required. If you closely inspect the layout, take a look at the tangent line from the 1 ball. The cue ball comes off the 1 ball at a slight angle. The angle out brings the cue ball slightly up table and closer to the 2 ball. If you applied 12 o'clock follow on the shot, the cue ball comes back across table about a diameter down table. Be careful with the speed. A medium 1 speed will send the cue ball out into the middle of the table with no angle on the 2 ball. Even though the best pocket is the upper left corner, that could be blocked. Experiment with a couple running English draw shots. That could get the cue ball further up table and in line to put the 2 ball into the foot corner pocket. As long as the donuts are set up, see what you can do with the cue ball and this 2 ball position. When you play an outside angle like this setup, knowledge of the tangent line is critical. When selecting the cue ball spin, use the tangent line to calculate whether to use follow or draw. The tangent line on this setup goes very close to the corner pocket, possibly even to a scratch. You know that follow bends the cue ball path forward from the tangent line. This is what is needed for this shot. Even though the comfort zone on the 2 ball is large, the distance from the pocket limits the size even more. The easiest and simplest to execute option is the 12 o'clock soft 3. Keep control of the cue ball. You could use a 12 o'clock soft 2 to get a shot on the 2 ball into the upper left corner pocket. The comfort zone for that shot is very narrow. A little too far or a little too short and the shot becomes more difficult to make. The shot as shown is intended to put the 2 ball into the side pocket, which is the closest and easiest pocket. The cue ball rolls into the side pocket shot comfort zone from behind. Try this with medium 2-speed. The cue ball gets to the right side rail and comes near the head spot. From that position, the pocket options open up. The 2-ball can still be played into the side pocket. That provides a lot of pathways for the shot on the next ball, if it is down table. Or the 2-ball can be sent into the left foot corner pocket. This provides options to play the cue ball up table. Practice with this shot and the workable options. Remember this shot with soft 3? It is enough to get the cue ball to the left side rail. That option is still available, but not recommended. If the cue ball were to travel a few inches too far or too short, that makes the shot much more difficult. Instead, play the shot with 12 o'clock follow and more speed. Some running English is added at the first rail and more at the second rail. This helps get the cue ball up table on a diagonal line. That path into the comfort zone is very long. Use medium 1 speed to keep an angle on the 2-ball that lets you keep the cue ball up table. If the next shot is down table, just add a bit more speed. Get the cue ball to the right side rail and out. That lets you play the side pocket and get the cue ball into the down table area. This is another shot worth playing with to figure out your best options. Feel free to try both running English and reverse English spins to observe the results. Thanks for watching this video about the Cue Ball Control Cheat Sheets book. Check out the blogs and books and deals on the billiardgods.com website. Good luck and shoot straight.